Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the damage closely so you know what you're fixing and why. If the edge shows white scuffing, you'll stabilize loose fibers first. If delamination appears, you'll isolate the layer. Once done, clear debris with a soft brush and gently lift any raised edge with a micro spatula. Make sure to keep the card flat and support it under a rigid board while you work to avoid creating new bends or stress on the corners. Now you perform the detailed repair. Apply archival adhesive sparingly where layers separate so you don't create glue bleed. Use a toothpick or micro applicator for precision. Once adhesive is on, realign the edge and press with a bone folder to seat fibers. Work outward from the center. If scuffs remain, dab a matching archival pigment or marker lightly, blending with short strokes. Make sure to test pigment on scrap first, because excess color can darken and look unnatural under certain lights. Finish by smoothing and curing. If the edge needs micro-level leveling, very lightly sand with superfine grit, making minimal passes and checking often. Once satisfied, place the card between clean blotter paper and a rigid board, then add a flat weight to keep it straight. Let it cure for 12 to 24 hours. If you see bubbling or unwanted shine after curing, stop, remove the weight, let it air dry. Then carefully lift the affected area and reapply a minimal amount of adhesive to correct it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.